Our lesson today is over solving multi-step equations, and the goal will be you can use your knowledge of the distributive property and like terms to solve multi-step equations. So if any of you are having any issues still with combining like terms or that property, this is another good review to help you get it better along with solving equations. So we'll start by combining like terms. So we'll do a word problem. A pack of petunia seeds costs $3, and a pack of balloon flower seeds costs $4. You buy the same number of packs of each type of flower and pay $42. How many packs of each do you buy? So the key here is that you buy the same number of packs of each. So write an equation based on the given information. Well, we know that petunia seeds cost $3, so the cost for any number of petunia seed packs would be 3 times x, and the balloon flower seeds cost $4. And by the same number as the petunia packs, so it's 4x, and altogether we pay $42. So there's our equation. We just combine like terms. 3x plus 4x gives us 7x, so 7x equals 42. And now we've got a nice, easy one-step equation. And we solve it by dividing both sides by 7. Even though the numbers are pretty small, I want these good habits practiced. 7's go away. X equals 6. So we buy 6 packs of flowers total. So go ahead, and we're going to solve these. Okay, let's combine like terms to solve. If you guys want to pause the video and try them on your own, you can. Or you can let it run and solve with me. I see my like terms here of 3x and negative 4x. Do not forget the negative sign. Gives us negative x. And we just have that plus 12. Equals 20. So now we subtract 12 from both sides. Right, getting the variable by itself. Negative x equals 8. Well, we don't want negative x. We want just regular x. So we can divide both sides by negative 1, right, because negative 1 is the coefficient here. Gets rid of that. So x ends up equaling negative 8. Remember that negative x means negative 1x, so you can do it that way. Number 2, I see we have negative 8r and positive 7r as like terms. Negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1, so we have negative r minus 2 equals negative 9. We're going to add 2 to both sides. Goes away. We still have negative r, and we have negative 7. Now again, we don't want negative r, so we divide both sides by negative 1. So r equals positive 7. Okay, distributive property. We'll solve that equation. 6n minus 2 times n plus 1 equals 26. We will start this one by using the distributive property to get us going. So that 6n is going to stay by itself. Minus 2 times n is negative 2n. Right, we're just doing this times this. And then negative 2 times 1 gives us negative 2. So now we're here, and we're going to combine our like terms. So 6n's alike, negative 2n is like that, 6n as well. Combine them to give ourselves 4n, and minus 2 equals 26. And from there, we just solve the equation. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. Gives us, I'm going to write down here, 4n equals 28. Divide both sides by 4. Keep those good habits, both sides. N equals 7. So go ahead, work these on your own with the video paused, or you can keep the video going and solve with me if you want. And let's work these two problems. So distributive property comes first. We still have that x just hanging out there. Positive 4 times 6 is 24. Positive 4 times negative x, don't forget the negative, makes it negative or minus 4x equals 21. Now we combine like terms. X minus 4x is negative 3x. Now we can subtract 24 from both sides. This stays. That goes. 21 minus 24 equals negative 3. And divide both sides by negative 3. X equals 1. If you guys notice, as we're working through, I'm doing things to both sides, here and here. Every step, when we're involving the equations, we're doing things on both sides. Number 2, let's work that one. It's written backwards, but shouldn't cause a problem. So 8 equals negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. And the 2x we have not touched yet. Okay, now combine our like terms. We see the negative 7x and the positive 2x. Combine those to give us negative 5x. Minus 7. Now it's a two-step equation, so we're going to add 7 to both sides. This is 15, this is negative 5x, and this goes away. Divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 3 equals x. This concludes your lesson on solving multi-step equations.